Hi friends, welcome to Dolphin Academy. Today we will be dealing with current affairs of 18th October 2020. Okay, so first electoral bonds. What are electoral bonds? So by news, first of all, the Finance Ministry on Friday, that's last Friday, said the 14th tranche of the electoral bonds sale will take place from October 19 onwards. What are electoral bonds? Electoral bonds have been pitched as an alternative to cash donations made to the political parties as part of the efforts to bring transparency in political funding, right? So, if you want to give donation to political parties, you can buy electoral bonds, right? So, electoral bonds can be purchased by person who is a citizen of India or incorporated or established in India. One can also buy electoral bonds or jointly with other individuals, right? You can buy personally or jointly with other individuals, right? So SBI is the only authorized bank to issue such bonds. Then only political parties registered under section 29A of the Representative of People's Act 1951 and which secured not less than 1% of the votes polled in the last general election to the House of the People or the Legislative Assembly of the state shall be eligible to receive the election bonds. Right. So the political party should be registered under section of 29A first of all, first priority, and should secure not less than, that means more than 1% of the total votes polled in the general elections, either in the House of the People or the Legislative Assembly, that they can receive this electoral bonds. The electoral bonds shall be encashed by an eligible political party only through a bank account. Okay, so only through a bank account with the authorized bank. An electoral bond will be valid for 15 days only from the date of issue. Right, this is the main point, that it only valid for 15 days. Right. Next is trans fat free. The aim of the government of India to make India a trans fat free state by 2022. Okay, the same by the WHO is by 2023. Okay, the WHO is planning to make India a trans fat free world by 2023. Okay, so trans fats are trans fatty acids. They are fatty acids. Okay, trans fats എന്ന് പറയുന്ന fatty acids ആണ്. They are formed when liquid oils are turned into solid fats, right? When liquid oils turn into solid fats, this trans fat is formed. They are created by the process called hydrogenation. Hydrogenation എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പ്രോസസ്സ് വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് ഇത് ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നത്, right? The trans fats in the food create the risk of cardiovascular disease. Main problem is cardiovascular disease. The hydrogenation is a process of adding molecular hydrogen to the substance, right? See, industrial trans fats are produced by adding hydrogen to liquid vegetable oils in order to make them more solid and to increase shelf life of foods. Okay, why trans fat is a concern, right? First, why trans fat is a concern? Trans fat is also a risk factor for cardiovascular disease (CVD), and about 5.4 lakh people die worldwide of cardiovascular disease each year. And in India, also around 60,000 of the people die of cardiovascular disease each year. Okay, Government of India initiative to improve health. That means to avoid CVD. First one is Eat Right Creativity Challenge. It is for school. It was launched by the central government. It was a poster and photography competition that aims to promote healthy dietary habits. Okay, it was a photography competition. Right, next is Eat Smart City Challenge by the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. It was also launched in partnership with Smart City Mission and the Food Foundation, United Kingdom. It seeks to create an environment of food practices and habits in India's smart cities. Next, chapter proceedings. What are chapter proceedings? See, these are preventive actions taken by the police. Right, if they fear that a particular person is likely to create trouble and disrupt the peace of the society. Suppose a particular person is going to disrupt the peace of the society and trouble the society, then the government or the police is going to act on the basis of the chapter proceedings, right? Thus, these proceedings are unlike punitive actions taken in case of FIR. That means no need to file an FIR, first information report, to take chapter proceedings. On 111 of CRPC, whereby he is asked to present himself before the executive magistrate. So why in news? The Mumbai police last week began a chapter proceeding against Republic Editor-in-Chief Arnab Goswami. So it is not a legal term, right? It is not a legal term, since all the sections related to preventing of crime fall under single chapter. It will colloquially called chapter proceeding. That means all the proceedings, all the sections of the criminal procedures code or IPC comes under this. That is why it is called a chapter proceedings colloquially, right? That means International Day for the Eradication of Poverty 2020. So observed in October 17 every year to spread the message of peace and love and honor of the victims of poverty, hunger and violence and fear. Right, October 17. In 1992, the United Nations had dedicated October 17 as the International Day of Eradication of Poverty. Right. So, in honor of Joseph Ruskinsky, the founder of the international movement of ATD Fourth World. Right. The theme of 2020, acting together to achieve social and environmental justice for all. That was the theme for 2020. Then Baba Banda Singh Bahadur. It was why in news? It was his 35th birth anniversary, and our PM wished tribute to this iconic Sikh warrior Baba Banda Singh Bahadur on his 350th birth anniversary. So, also called Lakshman Dev or Madhav Das, born in 1670, and Rajouri, India, died in 1716, Delhi. And he was the first Sikh military leader to wage an offensive war against the Mughal rulers of India, so thereby temporarily extending Sikh territory. Okay, then Banda Singh set out in 1709 to attack the Mughals, conquering large tracts territory. His pillaging and massacring the Deccan led the Mughal rulers finally to move against him in force. Next is Global TB Report. See, publisher of Global TB Report is World Health Organization, WHO. It accounts for 26% of the TB cases in the world. So, India accounts for the 26% of the world's TB. Right. The report says that the global number of the TB deaths could increase around 0.2% to 0.4 million in 2020 alone because of COVID-19. Right. Next is Bepi Colombo. This Bepi Colombo is a joint European-Japanese mission to Mercury to study the planet's composition, geophysics, atmosphere, magnetosphere and history. The European Space Agency ESA and the Japanese Aerospace Space Exploration Agency JAXA are each sending an orbiter on the same spacecraft. Okay. So ESA built the main spacecraft, the Mercury Planetary Orbit, and JAXA supplied the Mercury Magnetospheric Orbiter. Right, these are the aircraft. Okay, this is all about today. So we will be meeting tomorrow. Please subscribe my channel and please share. We will be providing other classes also. Thank you very much.